Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Harper and Beauty Big Bang XL-004. I'm starting off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone. And this is Zoya Harper. You guys know I love these pink polishes. Look at that. So we're going to go in with our first coat of Harper. And it's kind of like a jelly, squishy jelly. It's just, the finish is awesome. And look at the formula. Real easy to work with. I'm going to cap my free edge here real quick. Oh, it's so pretty. It's already pretty. First coat. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. We're going to go in with our second coat. And when it dries down, the color gets darker, I think. And I like that. I think that's cool. And all those little hollow glitters pop to the top. I'm digging it. I'm going to cap my free edge again. Not so much that I need to, but just to kind of smooth it out. I'm going to be using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. I'm going to seal this one in, get it to dry down, make it smooth so that we can do some stamping. In the stamping kind of mood. Stamping's just easy. Once you figure it out and you kind of know what works for you, it's easy nail art. And that's what I love about it. Oh, Woody back again. And here is Harper all on her own. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL-004 and Braves Diva Shutout today. I have my Monocle Stamper and my Maniology Scraper out. And I'm just going to use this. Now I know this is more of a snowflake Christmassy image, but I really was drawn to it. And so that's what we're going with today. I'm going to do this on my thumb, middle, and ring finger. And I'm going to leave two nails completely blank today. I know, kind of a surprise. I don't do that often. Trying to line that up in the middle. Mush it down, make sure that I don't have any flyaways. I'm going to clean my stamper off on my lint roller. And I'm going to clean this plate with pure acetone with my handy dandy cotton claw. And we'll wipe it with some paper towel. This plate's really deeply etched, so I wanted to make sure I didn't have any fuzzies left behind. I can't guarantee that I didn't have any left, but I was trying. And I'm fixing to have to get into my new bottle of Shutout. It's just, I'm still working this bottle though. I'm going to get everything out of it. Use it all, as much as I can. So yeah, a while back I got in on a Zoya sale. It was like 50% off or something. I can't remember how many I ordered, quite a few. And ended up, oh look, I gotta do a patch. I ended up not doing a haul video on it. I just, you know, I'm not really all about the hauling. I just figured I would leave them out and use them all and show them off that way. Zoya is really good about having sales pretty often, so I had to get in on that. So you guys will be seeing some Zoya manicures coming up here real soon. In fact, that orange on my other hand is another Zoya polish. You'll get to see that manicure soon. Going in with my cleanup brush and cleaning up what the tape didn't get. And I really liked this one. You know, I like when I have some can show some restraint and not stamp everything. You guys know I just get crazy with stamping. So here we go. We're going to top this one with the Smudge Free Top Coat. And then we're going to use the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat to finish this one off. Well, I would love to hear what you think about my manicure. Please leave me a comment down below because I always love hearing from you. And here is my swatch photo. I want to thank you all for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.